We got here night light Bluetooth speaker. Look at this box. It's a small box where you can enjoy the joy and relaxation that music brings you. It is a Bluetooth speaker, touch control, alarm clock, diverse colors. You can light this colorful as whatever you want. Hands-free calling and rechargeable. You can also do a hands-free calling here. There's a warm light and an RGB mode as well. The color temperature is 3000 K warm white plus RGB, and the battery capacity is 3000 mAh. So it's pretty cool device, looks pretty cool on the outside of the box. Let me open this here, right, how it looks like. So on top we have here the charging cable, which is pretty long. It looks pretty long cable. Yeah, type A to type C cable, and it's pretty long. See that? And there's a operating instructions over there, and it's simply cool device. You can see how cool it is. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. The alarm clock, I think timer. You can put your USB drive, micro SD, and there's a power cable and the power on and off. There's a button over here on all the buttons on the front. Bluetooth or SD card. You can also play music with the SD card. That's cool. Plus and minus volume, and there's a night mode, and there's a call mode as well. It's turned off. Okay. See the light over here, pretty cool light. So basically you don't even have to connect your phone if you just wanted to play from your SD card. Just copy all the music on your SD card and you're good to go. Sleep mode on power saving mode. Let me see how powerful this speaker is. Let me try to connect on this one. There's a option to do a Bluetooth here. Try this.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it does says Bluetooth mode. All right, looks like this is the one, but
Bluetooth mode.
Touch for the light. That's pretty cool. Touch it, light changes. Touch it, light changes. That's pretty cool, guys. Okay, pair.
Bluetooth connected.
All right, cool. So it's HM
Bluetooth speak connected.
103F. That's amazing. I don't want to keep playing, okay? But sound quality is pretty good. I was not expecting this good, guys. Full bass. All right, let's hear this now. Pretty cool. See? Yeah, this is pretty amazing, guys. You must get this. It's pretty small and it has very good bass. Plus you have timer here. You can put a clock, alarm clock here. You can play pause music, and it's rechargeable. You don't have to connect it all the time. 3000 mAh battery, which will last for pretty long, though it doesn't say over here how long will it last for. But this should last for pretty long because it's a 3000 mAh battery, and it works if you have a USB flash drive. You can play with this micro SD card, and you can recharge with the type C, and you can turn it off whenever you don't want it. The light changes when you tap on the top. The speaker on the top looks like the bass, the ventilation grill on the bottom. It's pretty cool. All right, let me know what you think about this product. All right, let me know what you think about this product. Make sure you grab this if you like this product. I'll put a link in the description below. Check the price of it and get it for yourself. You can put it on your nightstand, and it looks pretty cool. Plus, you can play music at the nighttime. Either it's loud or very soothing music. Both works fine for this. Let's get this. Stop recording.